Hello everybody, welcome back to another session of Mathematics Made Easy. Now the topic is number system. Question is, what is the remainder when 2222 whole to the power of 5555 plus 5555 whole to the power of 2222 is divided by 7. So for finding the remainder when this expression is divided by 7, directly we cannot take both the values at a time. So first we are going to take that 2222 whole to the power of 5555 is divided by 7. What is the remainder? And at the same time next we are going to find 5555 whole to the power of 2222 is divided by 7. What is the remainder? And then add them. Then we get what is the remainder when this expression is divided by 7. So first we are going to find when 2222 whole to the power of 5555 is divided by 7, what is the remainder? 2222 whole to the power of 5555 is congruent to how much? Modulo 7. So let us use Fermat's theorem. When P is a prime number, A is a positive integer, A to the power of P minus 1 is congruent to 1 modulo P. So apply that formula. 2222 power 7 minus 1 is congruent to 1 modulo 7. Then it becomes 2222 power 6 is congruent to 1 modulo 7. Then we should make this 6 as 5555. Directly we cannot make it. So let us divide this 5555 with 6. Then 6 table in 55, 9 times 54, remainder is 1, bring down 5, 2 times, 2 6 are 12, 15 minus 12, it is a 3, bring down 5, so 4 times, 5 times we can cancel, then it is a 5 into 6 is 30, remainder is a 5. Then 2222 whole to the power of 6 is congruent to 1 modulo 7. First we have to take whole to the power of 925 for both LHS and RHS. It becomes 2222 whole power 6 whole to the power of 925 is congruent to 1 power 925 modulo 7. Then this becomes 2222 whole to the power of 9 into 625 is 6 into 925 is 5550 is congruent to 1 modulo 7. Assume it as equation 1. So 2222 whole to the power of 5550 is congruent to 1 modulo 7. Next, let us divide 2222 with 7 and then let us check what is the remainder. 2222 is divided by 7 3 times 21 and remainder is 1 here, bring down 2, then 1 time, this is 7, 12 minus 7, it is a 5 and bring down 2, then 7 table in 52, 7 times, this is a 49 and the remainder is 3. So that we can write it as 2222 is congruent to remainder is 3 modulo 7. But we have to take whole to the power of 5 for both LHS and RHS. 2222 whole to the power of 5 is congruent to RHS is 3 to the power of 5 modulo 7. We know that 3 to the power of 5 is equal to 243. So let us take 2222 whole to the power of 5 is congruent to 243 modulo 7. The meaning of this is when 2222 whole to the power of 5 is divided by 7, remainder is 243. It will never be happened. 243 will not be the remainder when a number is divided by 7. So that we can write 2222 whole to the power of 5 is congruent to When 243 is divided by 7, 243 is divided by 7. What is the remainder? Let us check. So 3 times it is 21. 3 is a remainder. Bring down 3 here. Then it is 4 7s 28 and the remainder is 5. Then when 243 is divided by 7, remainder is equal to 5 modulo 7. Assume it as equation 2. So multiply the equations 1 and 2. LHS of the first equation into LHS of the second equation is congruent to RHS of the first equation into RHS of the second equation. It becomes 2222 whole to the power of 5550 into 2222 whole to the power of 5 is congruent to LHS we have completed. Now RHS is 1 and 5. So 1 into 5 it is nothing but 5 modulo 7. Then it becomes apply laws of exponents 2222 whole to the power of 5555 is congruent to 5 modulo 7. Assume it as equation number 3. Then next we are going to find what is the remainder when 5555 whole to the power of 2222 is divided by 7. What is the remainder? So let us write this equation 3 somewhere. It is 2222 whole to the power of 5555 is congruent to 5 modulo 7. Now coming to next one is 5555 whole to the power of 2222 is divided by 7. What is the remainder? Let us apply Fermat's theorem again. It becomes 5555 whole to the power of 7 minus 1. A to the power of p minus 1 is congruent to 1 modulo p is 7 here. So 5555 whole to the power of 6 is congruent to 1 modulo 7. Now we have to make this 6 as 2222. Directly it is not possible as we know that. Then 2222 is divided by 6. Then 6 table in 22 3 times 18. 22 minus 18 is a 4 remainder and bring down 2 here. Then it is 7 times 7 6 are 42 and remainder is 0. Bring down 2 here. We have to keep 0 there in the quotient. So let us take whole to the power of 370 for both LHS and RHS. It becomes 5555 whole power 6 whole to the power of 370 is congruent to 1 to the power of 370 modulo 7. Then 5555 whole to the power of 6 into 370 it becomes 2220 is congruent to 1 power any number. We get 1 only. 1 modulo 7. But actually we have to make this 5555 whole to the power of 2222. So next we have to find when 5555 is divided by 7, what is the remainder? Then 7 table in this 7 times 49 and remainder is 6 here. Bring down 5. 9 times 63 remainder is 2. Bring down 5. 3 7s 21 and remainder is 4. Let us assume this is equation 4 here. And 5555 is congruent to 4 modulo 7. When 5555 is divided by 7, remainder is 4. But actually we have to take a square for this. So squaring on both sides, 5555 whole square is congruent to 4 square modulo 7. But 5555 whole square is congruent to 16 modulo 7. We know that when a number is divided by 7, remainder will never be 16. So that when 16 is divided by 7, remainder is 2 modulo 7. Assume it as equation 5. Now we have to multiply equations 4 and 5. So that LHS of the fourth equation into LHS of the fifth equation is congruent to RHS of the fourth equation into RHS of the fifth equation. We will get 5555 whole to the power of 2220 into LHS of fifth equation is 5555 whole square is congruent to RHS of fourth equation is 1 and RHS of fifth equation is 2. 1 into 2, that it is 2 modulo 7. Assume it as sixth equation. And already we calculated third equation is 2222 whole to the power of 5555 is congruent to 5 modulo 7. If we add the equations 4 and 6, add them, then we get third equation plus sixth equation, we get 2222 whole to the power of 5555 plus 5555 whole to the power of, whenever we add these two, we get 2222 is congruent to RHS of third equation is 5 plus RHS of sixth equation is 2 modulo 7. It becomes 2222 whole to the power of 5555 plus 5555 whole to the power of 2222 is congruent to 7 modulo 7. We know that when a number is divided by 7, remainder will never be 7. So it becomes 2222 whole to the power of 5555 plus 5555 whole to the power of 2222 is congruent to, when 7 is divided by 7, remainder is 0, so that it becomes modulo 7 and remainder is 0. Then 2222 whole to the power of 5555 plus 5555 whole to the power of 2222. If this expression is divided by 7, remainder is 0. Thank you.